Hello, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter, also 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today I'm unboxing the Tapp Tapplock Lite. This is a indoor travel lock. You can use it for personal bags or whatever you'd like, personally, indoors. It's got a metal and plastic construction. And the finger scanner right there in the center. It also comes with Bluetooth, so you can connect it to a lock. It feels nice and sturdy. It shows that we're trying to get in, so it activates. Nice back end here. It's my fingerprint because I have not programmed it yet, so you can see how that works. But you can program hundreds, up to 100 fingerprints on here. And here's some more details about it. You can go ahead and pause the video to read more about the lock. They also make a larger weatherproof lock. This won a CES award from 2019. But I like that it's both lightweight, small, and it looks like it could take a beating pretty well. So it's got a little bit of plastic up here, but mostly metal, and then the fingerprint scanning technology there. This is from Tapp, and it's the Tapplock Lite. Further inside the box, you get a charging cable, which is micro USB. So there you go. Tapplock Lite, Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Thanks.